Hi there. The war and narrative is fantastic. We see the Hamas fighting to have himself portrayed as freedom warrior, freedom fighters, and then we see the Israelis, the civilians, fighting in Israel and mostly outside Israel to say we were murdered, we were killed. This is the most horrific thing since the Holocaust, and this cannot continue. And the Hamas is not a freedom organization, it is an organization of murderers. And then the most surprising is the government of Israel. And the government of Israel is building a new narrative, which is not outside Israel. It is built inside Israel. The narrative of the government is, it's not our fault. 14,000 people were murdered, hundreds were kidnapped. It's not our fault. It is the fault of the army. It is the fault of the Mossad. It is the fault of the Shabak. It is the fault of the guys who live there, the kibbutz members, of the ones who went to the party. It is the fault of others, other governments. It is the fault of those who retreated from Gaza Strip. You get the point. It is the fault of everybody, anyone. It's not our fault. And this is the most interesting narrative that is built nowadays. And ask yourself why. Bye bye.